Cancer forecast around love for 2021. When in love, the person born under the sign of Cancer is a wellspring of emotion, caring, passion, and faithfulness. You are in tune with the most important power and resource on the planet, water, and that means that there is a hypnotic flow to your romantic life. But sometimes you can also be jealous and possessive when you feel insecure. Choosing the right partner is important for everyone, of course, but this is especially true for you. If someone can't anticipate your ways, that can be somewhat unpredictable and sometimes moody, or if someone flirts with someone else, even innocently, you may never be able to forgive and forget. This year, if you are already happily ensconced in a committed relationship, your union can go deeper and become even more passionate. That will take constant effort on your part. If you're willing to put in the time and devotion, and let's face it, you always are, then this can be a year of sensual closeness that will see you experiencing a true partnership of mind, body, and soul. If you are single, you'll most certainly be searching for the special one who can handle your intensity and your need for attention, but who also benefit from your gallantry, steadfast loyalty, and poetic approach to love and romance. This year, for all Cancer lovers, there will be something to celebrate.